bareba igare hano ni byiza cyane reka turebe
Joseph arakomeza araterera Joseph azamuye abantu hano kuri furugani amamodoka yamaze kuhagera bageze hano wayambaye akana Olympia Henok tuwatuti wa libertà Henok zamikana Olympia
shampiyona Afrika mu gihugu cya Ghana yegukanye Tour du Rwanda 2023. Henok yegukanye Tour du Rwanda yarukaga kwegukanwa na mwene wabo w'umunyaritira 2022 Tesfazione. Imbere ye udonje kwegukana ni Kudus Melawi umwaka 2019
kugeza uyu munsi. Henok, congratulations.
Thank you.
How was the race today?
Yeah, the race, as we see, it was really hard, and from the start, the group split into 6 groups, and my teammate only has one with me in the split group, and my team told me to follow every GC rider, so as I told my sport editor, I attack all the way to the finish line, and if I follow every attack.
Henok, you won the stage of Musanze, but your yellow jersey was gone. Have you feared that you will win the Tour de Rwanda?
Yeah, as I spoke in the first day, I come here first to win GC and to take a stage victory. This plan was in December in training camp with my team to have a target for Tour Rwanda and the first season, and to have this jersey and to win 2 stages in Tour Rwanda for me is